In this video, we're going to go over the Custom Parcels tab, which is shown right here at the top, directly next to the Custom Boundaries. This is an add-on that is available for all users that use MapWise, so please just contact us if you are interested in adding this on. It does come at an additional cost to the subscription. However, this does have a ton of different add-ons from the Custom Boundaries. It's very, very custom. We can customize it to your liking, and it is similar to the Custom Boundaries tab. So the way we're going to start this is we're going to click on the Select Parcels tab as usual. We'll click on Select Point, and then I'm going to highlight a couple of different parcels here. And just like the Custom Boundaries, we're going to click Select Tasks, and now instead of Custom Boundaries, I'm going to hit Add to Custom Parcels. Now this is where things are a little bit different. We're going to dissolve these parcels to show them as one, and we're going to hit Add to Custom Parcels. Now what I can do here is I can give this a site name, so we can call this the Custom Parcel site, for example. And we have over 70 different options that we can add in here for you. So for example, we have priority, so you can make a high, medium, low, so we'll call this a medium. Site status, there's a ton of different options here. Again, we can change all of these for you if you are interested. We can put property status, so we can say that this is all raw land, and we can put a category as well. Again, if you needed more within this categories here, we can add as well. For future land use and zoning, you can input that. It'll give you an owner name here, so this is multiple owners, so it's just going to put spaces between each one of them, but we can see all owners on this property. We have an owner city, owner state, owner zip code, some more information here. If you have a cell phone number or an office phone number or an email, you can input that here as well, just to keep on record for yourself. Purchase price, sale date, county, site addresses, site cities, site zip codes, any land use descriptions, and then we can input notes as well. So we could say, hello land. It'll give us a total acreage here as well as acreage for upland. Now I'm going to hit Save Changes on this here. The record is saved, so I'll click OK. And now it's going to populate here on a color on the map. We can click on the legend here, and it'll show us our property status, priority here, and the category. Under layers, up at the top up here, as long as you have these layers on, depending on which one you're using, we can create multiple layers for you, so this way everybody within your organization is able to see the layers, or you can add it to a specific layer that only some people within the organization will see. Now with that being said, we can also come onto the map as long as we have this Identify Map feature on, and we can click anywhere within these parcels, and it's going to populate the properties for us here. So we can take a look at this. We can update the record on this just by clicking Update Record, and now we can come in and change the information on it. We can also just go to this Custom Parcels tab up here at the top, and if we knew a site name or the priority or a site status or any of this information here, we can input this directly. If not, we can hit Show All, and it'll populate all of the different ones for us. So, for example, if we wanted to look at the Custom Parcel site once again, I can click Record Details here, and it'll pull all the records for it that we had input. So again, if we had a phone number or anything, this is a printable page, print to PDF, so you can print this out and keep this for your records. If we go back to the Custom Parcels tab once again, I can go and we can click all these different options here, and we can print these records, we can export them. If not, I can also just go directly to it, click here on this little checkbox, we can edit that record once again and input more information, or we can just zoom directly to that parcel that we were interested in. So this feature is available for all paying MapWise users and subscribers. If you are interested in getting this layer on your desktop, please give us a call or set up a demo with us. There is a demo button directly on the MapWise website that you can just click and then book a demo with us at any time that's convenient for you.